I think I'm gonna let it sit for like 2 days and then clear. I deleted it. Yeah! Mom, I'm trying to do a YouTube video. Here it is. Sorry how long it is. I'm in my kitchen, so that's why. I'm gonna do my nails, so I'm gonna do that for this video. Okay, so I have pink and blue, and yeah, so I still have this one. What about that? Come on, hurry. Okay, finally the machine turned off. Now I'm gonna put it on my other finger. So here it is. So I have 2 so far. And this one, after that, I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll let you guys see how they can.
Yeah, here, you breaking on out? Yeah. Remember the other week they were breaking on him? They were breaking on. Oh, he did. One day my ass, he treated me good. Okay. You don't call my piece.
Okay, so there you go. Look. So I have pink, blue, pink. It's cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my blue one. This is why I wait for the conclusion here, so I'm gonna try that blush. And while my fingernails are doing, I'll be dry. like this video and comment if you want me to do a morning video. Look, it's so pretty. Now look at my nails. So now I'm gonna get I'm kind of letting it dry, but this is a long time to dry. And also, I didn't put enough nail polish for this, so I'm gonna repolish it later. Okay, there you go. It's almost baked up on that, but it looks good.
He wasn't even writing his name.
Now I'm gonna get my glue. I'm gonna actually like put. Oh no, this is beautiful. Okay. I should have put like pictures around this one. You know, I'm gonna get the picture tag. I'll be right back.
Start making like that again. Just put them together. I mean, start writing together.
Then we have so I have that's already. I feel like if I still their polish and it for me, I was going to take it out. So now I'm gonna do my middle finger good.
I can't just sit there on my finger. You never know. You come down with the injection today. On the charge executive, get all them things off down. And take that up, pick their name on it. Okay, let's take one person. You know whatever. You didn't say that Sunday?
Yeah.
Who's on that?
I don't know. No, the other girl saying that.
Lady.
Ma, but could you please not download a lot off the table? Because I just messed up my fingernail. That's why I have like paper towels on because
Shut it off.
cut it off.
Just stay out my ears because you do it. Sit your ass down.
Okay. After this one, we do awesome. I feel like this is I have to do it.
I'm gonna call him. Tell me you do it. And then it's time to just tell you can't do it no more. I'm thinking at least had to be phone bill money, different stuff.
Yeah.
Keep changing your pocket. I'm gonna call it now.
Okay, good.
You could have did. I would have said do it.
Right.
Okay, so here's this finger. I think this finger looks better than it because I was supposed to it with my right hand because I'm right-handed. So yeah, so now I'm gonna get the blue one.
Yeah. That girl might need what you're supposed to do. You never know.
Your mama tell her Jacoby like 18, 17.
Right.
But he good.
Yeah. What?
So now I have this
You itchy.
and yeah.
You're not bathing right then.
Okay, there. Now I'm gonna put the pink one. I have a whole bunch of pink nail polish on this thing, so I think I only made like 1 or 2 mistakes. So there's a lot of pink nail polish on it. You see, I just didn't know.
So I never drink out of cup in his kitchen no more. They had water and come home and drink out of it.
Yeah.
You don't know what they call me here.
Right.
Okay, this looks so glossy, and I just want to like
Laura,
place it in my nails.
look at them at the tub.
Okay, now I'm gonna let these
Make sure they bake on the toast.
So yeah, I only have a little bit of time in this video left. So my phone, there's like this link on it to tell you like how much time you have to film. And I have 12 minutes and 31 seconds, and I've been filming for 9 minutes. Almost 10 minutes. So this is...
You want those one?
Okay, I threw it away. Okay, now here's this one. I don't want to mess up my nail. I really don't. So I'm doing a YouTube video. I got a paper towel because so if I like make mistakes on my nails, it won't like get. It won't make it get on the floor. So. Okay, I think they're dry now. That's pretty quick though. Yes, they're dry. Okay, so here's my story. Okay, I'm gonna probably do like just play the song for like 2 minutes now because I only have 12 minutes and 31 seconds left to film. So yeah, the last like 2 minutes I'll be playing with this. Basically, I have 1 minute to show you guys this. So here it is, really clear. I only have a little bit of subscribers, so if you see this, please subscribe because I at least want to get to 1,000. Like I was looking at this thing to say how could you get your first 1,000 subscribers? That they said you need like 100 subscribers, and that's when I looked at it like I couldn't even do it. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go in 31 seconds. So yeah. This is so pretty though. Okay guys, for the next 31 seconds I'll just be playing with this and that's when I do my outro. Okay, bye guys. See you next time and subscribe to my channel. Put the like and I'll leave a link in this